this video we are going to learn about the minor disorders during the pregnancy. So let's just start with the small introduction. So many women experience some minor disorders during the pregnancy, and these disorders should be treated adequately as they become life threatening. Minor disorders may occur due to the hormonal changes. So, before they become life threatening, you have to treat them as early as possible. And these disorders may occur due to the hormonal changes. As you all have studied that the classical symptoms which occur during the first trimester, that is nausea and vomiting, and these symptoms are due to mainly the hormonal changes in the mother, and the mother needs the knowledge when she presents with the discomforting or worrying symptoms. So you have to provide the psychological support to the patient. So, and you need to listen the what the patient is suffering from. Now let's just discuss about the systematic bites about the digestive system. Then we are going to discuss about the musculoskeletal system, but in the probably in the next video. So पहले हम लोग डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के अंदर क्या क्या आता है. नॉजिया एंड वॉमिटिंग है, हार्ट बर्न होता है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन एंड देयर इज स्पाइका. सो फर्स्ट इज नॉजिया एंड वॉमिटिंग. नॉजिया एंड वॉमिटिंग क्यों होता है? नॉजिया एंड वॉमिटिंग hormonal influence के थ्रू होता है. So the main hormones that are playing role are HCG and the estrogen and progesterone in the first trimester. So next, coming to the management. So management can be done through by avoiding bending and kneeling while doing the household chores. So fatty food should be avoided. So you have to tell the patient to avoid any oily kind of food, and sleeping with more high pillows than usual and lying on the right stomach circling can sometimes help. So these are the facts that can help in heartburn, and if the heartburn is persistent, then the physician can prescribe the antacid. सो नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्स्टिपेशन. कॉन्स्टिपेशन बहुत ही कॉमन है. सो कॉन्स्टिपेशन होता क्यों है? इट इज़ ड्यू टू द एटोनिसिटी ऑफ द गट, एंड देयर इज काइंड ऑफ हॉर्मोन्स दैट आर प्लेइंग रोल, दैट इज़ प्रोजेस्टेरोन. और इसमें क्या है, मेनली इस वजह से भी होता है कि देयर इज़ अ प्रेशर क्रिएटेड बाय द ग्रेविड यूट्रस. सो ड्यू टू दिस देयर इज constipation. And next we are going to study the management of the constipation. So if the patient is suffering from the constipation, what things you can advise to the patient? This is like increase in the intake of water. So take more water and add the green leafy vegetable fruits to her diet. Then take a glass of warm water. So there is like if you will drink more fluid, then constipation may be relieved, and exercise by the regular walking. So these things are very important for the constipation. Then coming to the next, that is pica is the term. Pica is the term when the mother craves certain foods that are unnatural substances. तो इसमें कोई न्यूट्रिशन नहीं है, like black soil, chalky or clay. These things are included in the pica, and the cause is like unknown, but the hormones and the changes in metabolism are thought to be the contributors. So the management of the pica includes who craves to eat like soil or clay should be advised not to eat them, and the mother must be helped to seek the medical advice. सो यार यहीं पे हमारा वीडियो ख़त्म होता है, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द पाइका. नेक्स्ट, सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द musculoskeletal system diseases, disorders.